Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. As you see, I'm not in Germany, I'm in the beautiful Greece and I'm very inspired by all the Mediterranean food they have, and it's so simple, it's economic and super healthy. And today I want to show you a quick recipe where you can have all this Greece flavor in one plate. I hope you enjoy it. This dish is a side dish, or you can use it as well as light dinner. So for this dish I bought super fresh vegetables. I just went to the market and grabbed everything I liked. So here there are no rules. You can just take the vegetables that you love, that you like. They're on sale or I don't know, seasonal. And I have champignons, paprika, an onion. That's very important because onion gives you sweetness. I have here this aubergine and 4 small zucchinis. Yes, and we will need some herbs. Here again, no rules. I have feta cheese herbs, but I guess like thymian, oregano, do it as well. We have very yummy feta cheese as well. Of course, olive oil, salt, and a little bit of balsamico. Oh, and the secret ingredient is a lemon, and this lemon is from our tree. Okay guys, we can do this. It's all about cutting this yummy vegetable into biteable pieces and to put them all into this bowl, and then we go on. So now I have cut everything, and look at this beautiful rainbow. This is like, wow. Such things I just love. I just love colors in the plate. It's just the most beautiful thing you can have on a plate, different colors from nature. And it looks like a Super Bowl, like a lot, but don't worry, it will shrink afterwards in the oven. So it's good to make more than less. So I'm going to make my hands dirty, and I'm going to mix here a little bit of balsamico. And why balsamico? You can do it without, but balsamico gives everything like a sweetness, like it's a little bit caramelized. Our secret ingredient, olive oil, and not too less, and salt. Don't put too much salt because after you have tried, you can always put more salt. And now we're going just to mix everything. Now we need like an oven plate and paper, and then we're going to spread the vegetables on the plate. This is so beautiful. I love it. Not too high, not too low, in the middle. I will keep it for around 45 minutes. So everybody, 45 minutes passed. I have to admit, I put the oven a bit lower to 150 degrees because it's not my oven. So please watch that it's not burning. Okay, this is my favorite part because we're going to put feta cheese on top of the vegetables, and we're going to put the herbs, a little bit more of olive oil, and our secret weapon, this tasty lemon. Let's do it. So I cut it a whole feta cheese, and I'm going just to spread it. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh guys, here we need more feta cheese. Wow, you can never have enough feta cheese. Olive oil, so it's really sparkling. Our herbs. And the secret ingredient, fresh lemon. Squeeze half of a lemon. Half lemon should be enough. And the other half is for me. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now I will taste it. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make. It's fantastic, it's healthy, it's super economic, and everybody's going to love it. I wish you a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. I hope you love it. Bye bye. Aditya.